What's going on, everybody, man? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to a new video. So today, few things. So as you can tell, I'm in the garage, but I've made an improvement to the garage to improve the picture quality. And what I did was I added lights. So let's check this out, man. Yep. Added some lights in here. And I can keep the garage door closed too. So yeah, that is a plus. So I'm testing all this out. I'm also testing out a different setting with my camera, just seeing if I can get a little bit more life out of the battery so it doesn't die on me. So I'm checking that out. So hopefully this comes out really good and I don't have to do anything over again, which is gonna be hard anyway because of what I'm about to do today. All right, y'all. So this is what we got here today, man. So what I wanted to do is I've been trying to think, what do I want to do with headlights? Because, you know, that's pretty much what we're doing today. We're working on headlights today. And I did my tail lights, but them tail lights, man, them things were so saucy to me, man. I loved them, man. So yeah, I spent a pretty penny for them. So as far as for headlights, I was like, well, dang, what can I do? I mean, I really didn't want to mess with my stock ones because what if I want to put them back on there? I don't really want to touch them. I want them to just stay the way they are. So I said, well, I'm gonna have to buy me some other headlights. So instead of spending anywhere from $1,000 to $1,100 for some headlights, I went another route, and I went to that's right, I went to Amazon, bruh. And in Amazon, I found they call it Akkon C-shaped LED DRL with the LED sequential turn singles, and it's smoked. So let's go ahead and take a look at them real quick, y'all. Okay, so now what we got here. Now, the lights are LED, but the actual headlight is halogen. So that's the reason why I got these. So that's the reason why I got these. Hold on, let me take this out of the frame, fool. But yeah, that's why I got these. And I got them like this, so hopefully these fit. So I'm gonna replace the halogen bulb with these the way they're in the LED, the way I don't have none of that yellow on there. So let me go ahead and get this thing swapped out of there and put those in there. All right, so here's the back of one of the headlights. So on here it tells you to close or open. So of course, lefty loosey. So twist that. And then this guy comes up. Wait, yeah, there we go. Comes right off of there, so it's a little tight in there. Hold on here. It's a little tight in there because of the cable, all of the wires that's in there. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna pick this off. So we got that off of there, and then let's twist this out of there. So there we go. It's a little bit thicker, but it might just go in there okay. So let's plug this in first. See, it has a little fan on there for a little active cooling. There we go. All right, let's put that guy in there like that. we should be good to go. Hopefully this fits back on here. Oh, there we go. I was getting a little nervous there. So that went in there. So we're good. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave one of them in and one of them out. That way you can kind of see what I'm talking about there and what it's going to look like. So this is actually going to be the passenger side that has the LED in it. And then the driver's side is going to have the halogen bulb in there, and then I'll replace it. But now that the bumper is off of here, what we got here is we got to take the 2 bolts off on the side, which is here and here. And then right around here, we got the same thing up here. We got a pop clip right there, a bolt right there, and a bolt right there, and 2 bolts right here, which is going to be this one and this one. So I'm going to go ahead and take those off, and then we'll pop the headlight out of there.
I was shining on the city lights. All this doubt around me, then but look, I got it right.
Well, looks like on here, there's another pop clip right here on the side. So there's this little one right here too, on the side right over here with the 2 bolts. Take these last 2 out of here. At that point, you should be able to slide the headlights right on out of there. So now, let me unplug this here. Well, just so you know, that was going to be a little bit difficult to take off, but there's everything off of there. So let's put this guy to the side, and let's fit in the new light. All right. So let's fit this thing on in here. So we're gonna plug it in. All right, nice click. And let's get them in here. Get a couple of bolts started in here. Okay, so where we at now? So now these 2 wires that are attached underneath the headlight is a brown and a black wire. The brown wire is your power wire, and the other one is your ground. Okay, are you coming? Brown. Anyway, these 2 wires are gonna have to get wired on to your turn signal. And right now I just disconnected this plug right here. This is from the main harness. This is just this goes to the fog light and the turn signal. So right here, just past this blue part, it branches off, and as you can see, this goes to the turn signal right here. And it's the one I have on here. So now, all right, let me fix the camera right here real quick. Sorry for all the shakiness, but your brown wire is going to be going to your blue wire, and your black is going to go to black right here and here. So what I did is I cut off a little bit of this because it was like to right there. So I just cut that off. And then what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna cut both of these in the middle here, strip these down some, and then I'm gonna, it comes with little snap connectors, but from what I hear, they're all crap. So I'm gonna use some butt connectors. As you can see, I cut myself trying to do this mess. But I'm gonna strip these back some to get a little bit more wire exposed, cut these, strip the insulation back on these, then I'm gonna butt connect these 2 together, and then we'll give it a test and see if it works.
All those nights I lay awake, I pray for better life. Now I wake up with a baddie like I said I might. This is better life, you never tried, I bet it right. This is better life, you never tried, I bet it right. You been stuck is where you at because you never tried. Want a better life, I had to try, I bet it right. Yeah, I just took a chance and yeah, let me write. Look, I just took a chance and yeah, I rolled the dice. Yeah, women I'll be bad because the focus nice. Yeah, Yeah, I must admit that this ain't overnight. I just hit the double with the jackpot. I'm in the snow, this in New England, but I'm dying high. Now I'm not for the music when I can't stop.
All right, so that's it, man. Everything is tied in. So let's go ahead and just plug this thing in. That's not the right way. There we go. There we go. Plug back in. Everything is attached. Now, let's see what the light looks like when I turn it on. There we go, we are on. And let's see the turn signal. Sorry about that. And it works. Look at that. So now if I turn the headlights off, so it doesn't do DRL. Well, it looks like it says DRL, but it's not really working. So I do know that there is another, there's a harness that you can buy, which I might wind up having to get, and it'll make this boomerang part right here, or the sea light / boomerang, whatever you want to call it, because it's got the little thing on it. It makes that turn into your daytime running lights. All right, so we are buttoned back up, y'all. This one, it was pretty hard to get back in there, so you really need to, before you put this bolt in, push the light back. You know, push it right here, push it back towards that way to line this up. Once you pop that in, then you can just start putting in all your other bolts and then your other pop clip and everything in on the side. And if you look at the fitment of it, it's pretty good fitment right there. It's in there real nice and tight. So it fits in there pretty good. Let's check the factory side. You'll see what I mean. It's exactly the same as factory, dude. So yeah, it's pretty good quality. I like it. They kind of killed me with the DRLs. I think there's a little false advertising there, but maybe I'm just not doing something right. I'm gonna wait till I have everything together. Then we'll pull the car out and then we'll see what it does then. I'm gonna go ahead and put y'all on a time lapse real quick. And I'm gonna do this other side, and I'm just gonna put the other light in with the halogen bulb that's in it, so you can kind of see the difference between the two.
Ask a favor with a shout out to gas me. Really didn't take a risk, but want the outcome. Then asking how come. I've been signing on the city lights. All this doubt around me, then but look, I got it right. Don't you try to hit me, now you live a petty life. All those nights I laid awake, I pray for better life. Now I wake up with a baddie like I said I might. This is better life, you never tried, I bet it right.
All right, I got it in. Just got it barely connected, so let's turn these on. Let's see what it looks like. There you go. You see the difference between the two? See? That's what it looks like there in comparison to that. I actually like that way better. And so I'm gonna go ahead and pull it back out. Put the other LED bulb back in there. And then wire everything up the same way I did on the other side and see what we're looking like. But let me show you how the function of them. So that's the turn signal. There's the other side. And then my blinkers. Oh, let me get in there. Let me want my hazard lights. So there we go. So that's it, y'all. Another install done. The install, as far as for hardness, from 1 to 10, I give it a hell of 2. Not that hard at all. It's only 2 wires that you gotta freaking connect, that you gotta splice into your regular harness with, which is not a big deal. And like I told y'all before, I am gonna order that's a DRL harness that you can get, that you can make the boomerang / C lights work as daytime running lights. So, like I said, there's an alternative on there. You can turn the parking lights on and boom, you got DRLs. But no, we're gonna have them do it in the right way. Lights look really good. Change the look of the car. As always, I will link everything that I got in the description. And I appreciate y'all. Thank y'all for joining me on the video. If you made it this far, man, and like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification. And your boy will see you on the next video. Peace.